Hello everyone, this section describes how to start, stop, and rebuild instances based on instance lifecycle management and scenarios about it. You can manually stop, start a GaussDB instance, and also can rebuild instances in the recycle bin within the rotation period. First part is about stopping a GaussDB instance. Log into the management console and select GaussDB as your on the intent page, click More. In the operation column of the target instance, as you can see, we have other options like blah blah blah. For her, I will show you stop and start. Click Stop. In the displayed dialog box, click OK. Okay, wait it reduce. If its reduce is stopped, it has been stopped successfully. It may take approximately 1 minute. Okay, look at here, the studio is stopped, so it means that we have finished stopped. Next, let's restart the instance. Click Start. Okay, click OK. And wait the studios to be available. As you can see, the studios has become available. So the rest part about rebuilding a GaussDB instance. Before doing this, we delete an instance and then rebuild a new instance based on the deleted instance. After finishing deleting, in the navigation pane on the left, choose Recycle Bin and we can find previously deleted instance. Locate the instance to be rebuilt and click Rebuild in the operation column. On the displayed page, configure required parameters. And then click Next. Click Submit. Okay, that's all. Thanks for listening.